Welcome to Ever Curious, where learning never ends and curiosity leads the way. Have you ever wondered why some students learn faster than others, or why certain teaching styles just click? Today we're diving deep, but gradually, into the world of educational psychology. Don't worry, no complicated terms, just real ideas explained simply. Let's start by exploring the fascinating ways our brains process information. Some learners thrive with visual aids, while others excel through listening or hands-on experiences.
Ever curious, learn what you love.
Educational psychology is the study of how people learn and how we can help them learn better. It's like a bridge between psychology and education. Imagine this, you're a teacher. You notice one student learns best by watching videos while another prefers to read. Educational psychology helps you understand why that happens and how to adapt. By recognizing these diverse learning preferences, you can create a more inclusive environment where every student has the chance to thrive. Teachers collaborate to share insights and practical applications of educational psychology, ensuring that no student is left behind. One afternoon, a student named Alex discovers the joy of learning through experimentation, illustrating the impact of hands-on experiences. Teachers gather in a lively workshop, eager to explore interactive methods that embody the principles of educational psychology as collaboration sparks new ideas. Through dedicated support, the teacher uses visual aids to make challenging subjects more accessible for Alex, showcasing the practical application of educational psychology. In a serene library nook, educators delve into books and resources, eager to expand their knowledge on effective teaching strategies that cater to diverse learning needs. Educational psychology explores how students think, feel, and behave in educational settings, allowing us to understand motivation, memory learning styles, and cognitive development. In classrooms around the world, these insights into learning enable educators to tailor their teaching strategies, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to thrive. By applying educational psychology principles, teachers can create supportive environments that cater to individual needs, fostering a love for learning and academic success. Understanding cognitive development helps educators identify appropriate challenges for their students, boosting confidence and engagement in the learning process. Let's meet the giants of this field, simplified. As we dive deeper into these foundational concepts, the excitement for knowledge becomes palpable in every corner of academia. The energy in the room reflects their passion as they explore the connections between these essential ideas. In this quest for understanding, we uncover the brilliance of those who paved the way for modern thought. Collaborative discussions bring forth diverse perspectives, making complex ideas more accessible and engaging. Each note taken and every visual created helps to solidify understanding, bridging the gap between theory and real-world application. As they celebrate their achievements, the journey through these core theories transforms their perspectives and aspirations. In these moments of collaboration and reflection, the essence of knowledge truly comes alive, shaping future innovators. Sharing newfound insights not only reinforces their understanding, but also sparks curiosity in those around them. In unconventional settings, ideas flourish and creativity is ignited, fostering connections beyond traditional classrooms. Passion and collaboration drive their exploration as each individual contributes unique insights into the larger conversation. Jean Piaget emphasized that children learn in stages, illustrating how a 3-year-old doesn't think the same way as a 10-year-old. Shocking, right? As we explore Piaget's core theories, it's fascinating to see how children evolve through distinct stages, shaping their understanding of the world around them. In a vibrant playground, the contrast between toddlers exploring freely and older children strategizing in play reveals the cognitive differences that define each developmental stage. In a warm setting, a parent reading to a young child highlights early cognitive engagement, while an older sibling's science experiment showcases advanced reasoning as they share knowledge with others. In a dynamic classroom, the teacher fosters collaboration among children of different ages, illustrating how learning builds upon itself and encourages creativity as cognitive abilities develop. As a young child experiments with clay, we see the essence of tactile learning, while a teenager's focused essay writing illustrates the sophisticated cognitive skills that come with age. In a lively classroom, children collaborate on a science project demonstrating teamwork and communication, while an older child's confident presentation reflects their evolved critical thinking and public speaking abilities. Ever heard of a teacher acting as a scaffold? That's him. In Lev Vygotsky's view, learning flourishes when students collaborate and receive help from others around them. This dynamic approach fosters critical thinking and deeper understanding, making education a shared adventure. Through interaction, students build knowledge not just in isolation, but through meaningful exchanges with peers and mentors. This supportive framework allows learners to reach new heights, empowering them to navigate challenges with confidence. Vygotsky's insights remind us that education is not just about knowledge transmission, but about creating connections that inspire growth. In this enriching atmosphere, students flourish equipped to tackle future challenges with the skills they've cultivated together. This collaborative spirit not only nurtures individual growth, but also builds a community of lifelong learners. In this environment, learning becomes an exciting journey rather than a mere task, paving the way for innovative thinkers. With each shared experience, students not only absorb knowledge, but also develop essential social skills that prepare them for the future. This unique blend of guidance and interaction ensures that every learner has the opportunity to excel and reach their full potential. When students receive praise for their achievements, they are more inclined to replicate those successes in the future. This positive reinforcement creates an environment where learning thrives, motivating students to engage and excel. As students internalize this recognition, they develop a greater sense of self-efficacy, reinforcing their commitment to learning. Such a culture not only boosts individual confidence, but also fosters a community where everyone encourages one another to strive for excellence. Through these experiences, students learn that hard work and collaborative spirit lead to rewarding outcomes, reinforcing the importance of perseverance. This bond not only strengthens their relationships, but also cultivates an atmosphere where support and recognition become the foundation for lifelong learning. These events highlight the significance of celebrating accomplishments, creating memories that inspire students to pursue their passions with enthusiasm. As they transition into new stages of life, the lessons learned about the power of praise and recognition continue to guide them toward future successes. With the foundation of support built through their educational experiences, these individuals are now prepared to navigate the challenges of adulthood. But why should you care? Because it helps answer real questions. How can we make classes less boring and more effective? How can we help students who struggle with reading or math? What makes a good learning environment? Whether you're a teacher, parent, student, or just curious, educational psychology helps make learning more human. Visualize educators utilizing cutting-edge strategies that captivate student interest, turning mundane lessons into enjoyable learning experiences. Envision a classroom buzzing with enthusiasm, where every child's voice is heard, nurturing a community of learners eager to explore and excel. Imagine a classroom where every student feels valued and understood, where personalized attention transforms struggles into triumphs. Picture teachers being equipped to engage every learner, fostering an environment where collaboration and curiosity flourish. This is the essence of educational psychology, creating a bridge between challenges and successes for everyone involved. Consider the broader impact of educational psychology as educators engage parents in dynamic workshops, empowering families to be active participants in their children's education. Picture the joy of a child proudly sharing their academic successes with loved ones, illustrating that understanding and support can lead to remarkable achievements. Let's look at 3 real-life examples. Motivation. A student is failing science, but once the teacher relates science to their favorite video game, boom, interest skyrockets. Memory, using mnemonics like PEMDAS, helps students remember math rules. Differentiated instruction. 1 lesson 3 ways. Audio, visual, and hands-on. So every student can connect in their own way. In this example, the teacher uses a popular video game to foster interest in science among struggling students, showcasing the effectiveness of relatable content. Additionally, the use of mnemonics enables students to memorize mathematical concepts with ease. Lastly, by providing audio, visual, and hands-on options, the teacher ensures that all students can engage meaningfully with the lesson. The students' eyes widen as they realize the connection between the science lesson and their beloved video game, sparking newfound enthusiasm for the subject. Meanwhile, classmates engage at various learning stations, reinforcing the idea that education can be personalized to meet diverse needs, ensuring that each student finds their unique pathway to understanding.
So what have we learned? Educational psychology is not just theory. It's a toolkit for better classrooms, smarter teaching, and more compassionate learning. Whether you're in school or just passionate about how people grow, this knowledge helps you understand the mind behind the learning. If you found this video eye-opening, imagine what's next. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Ever Curious, where we explore the why behind everything.